Hi, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to shoot you this video to show you some things that will help you improve your website's rankings on Google and bring you more business. Now, I'm at your website right now, and I've copied your URL or your website, and I put it into a third-party scanner. I use RankDaddy. And what we're going to be looking at are your heading tags. Now, your heading tags are what Google looks at to determine what your site's about and what to rank it for. The tags are made up of the title tag, metadata tag, and your H1 and H2 tags. Now, your title tag looks good. It's right where it should be, right in the middle, between 10 and 70 characters. Unfortunately, your meta description is too short. It's only 2 characters, and that's why you are not ranking on page 1. Now, let's see how your website is ranking on Google right now. I use a third-party tracker for this. It's called SERPtrack. You can get a free 30-day subscription to this, and you can see how your website is ranking each day. Now, I use these keywords for your website for the search: Bakersfield tree trimming, Bakersfield tree service, and Bakersfield tree removal. Now, unfortunately, you are on page 3 and 4 of Google search for this. Now, I don't know about you, but I usually pick the first 3 companies on page 1 and get bids from them. We can help you with this. We can get you moved up to page 1. It's what we do. It's why I'm reaching out to you today, and we can get you more business. Now, if you could use more business, please respond to this email. My name is Mike Brady, and my phone number is 559-691-0320. Thank you.